We're going to be looking at the technique in theory called the Henrix 154, because he uses the first, fifth, and fourth degree. So we're going to start with the first degree. So we're going to use the key of D on the 10th fret, which is here. So I'll play the lick and break it down. You have pretty much on the higher note. So it's pretty much, if you plug your B and E 10th fret and hammer only the B to the 12th, right? Then you swap to the G9 and B10 here, and hammer again the G to 11. So you've got slide here, 2 frets lower, the D9 here, and then hammer the G to the 9th. Now looking at also the same type of chord, so to speak, degrees, we're going to use the D here. So we're on the 5th fret, A 5th fret, power chord, right? As you know, this power chord, you got this is your root note 1, then you got a 5 here, and then back to a 1, right? It's called a fifth, though, because you've got a 1 and a 5 only. It's interesting, those chords here, this particular chord is neither major or minor, because you have no thirds. The third determines whether it's major or minor. So you could play this on a minor chord or on a major chord or progression. We'll get into this later, but anyway, what Henrix does when he plays a power chord 5th here, he'll play this one here, which is A, 9, D, 7, and G7. That's a D chord, but it's inverted, meaning we don't start with a root 1, we start with a 3rd. You can see that note here, which is a F sharp, right, is a 3rd of D. D, 1, 2, 3, so we start on the 3rd, and then we've got a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we've got a 3rd, a 5, and a 1, 3, 5, 1, inverted D chord major. And it's the same as this. The lick here we've got is this. And then you link it with the other one by going to the G9 and then play your lick, which gives you this.